Hi everyone, this video will be a tutorial on how you can make this chevron bracelet with the knot at the start and your preferred ties at the end. First of all, you want to start out by picking out your colors. I am using 4 different colors for this chevron, and I am cutting my strings twice the length that I would normally do because I am going to fold them. When you've cut your bracelet, your strings, you want to make sure that the ends are at approximately the same length. Then you eventually get a little loop like this one, and you want to make a knot over there. Just a normal knot like this. I don't like it if this little loop is too big, so I'm gonna make it quite small, but you can always choose your own size if you want to. So if you've done that, you have a loop, your knot, and a total of 8 pieces of string coming out of the knot. The following thing that you are going to do is you are going to tape it down. Next on, you want to have all the 4 different colors on the right side and the 4 different colors on the left side. And from here you want to determine what your color pattern will be. So mine will be this one, the dark one first, and the mediocre dark one, the light one, and the white. So this is a gradient from dark to light green. What you then want to do is you are going to make a forward knot with your dark string on top of this string. A forward knot, I think this is a backward knot. I barely use the terms. Then you're gonna put this one to the side, and then you're gonna take the next one. Then you are going to put this one to the side, and you are going to knot on top of the white one. Now that you've done one side of your chevron, you are going to do the same thing on the left side of your chevron, but of course with forward knots this time. So you're first going to put them in the order of colors that you want. Then you are going to take the same color as you knotted with on the other side, which is for me is the dark green. And then you will go onto the light green. And lastly, you are gonna knot on top of the white. And then we have this, we have these 2 parts, and you can connect them by making a forward knot or a backward knot. It doesn't matter, they are gonna look the same, it's just up to you. So do note that your first row is gonna look something like this. It's not really neat, but your second row will already be much neater. So again, I am now gonna go on with the next color in my gradient, which is the slightly lighter dark blue green, and I'm gonna go on top of the light green and make a backward knot. Then I am gonna go on top of the white one, and then I'm gonna go on the dark green one. And again, you are gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then again you are gonna go and connect the two colors in the center with a backward or forward knot. And these are the steps for a chevron. So next on you're gonna knot with this one. First go on top of the white, then the dark green, and then the normal green. Do make sure that you have the same gradient on either side of your chevron so that they will look the same.